Welcome to Excel series. In this video, we are going to manipulate the date values. Now we are going to alter the data. In generally, data which is extracted from any software will be in the form of standard form. But we need to modify the data to enable it to do in the form of data analysis. For example, if you need to compare your sales values or profits or on your productivity with the current day with the previous day, or with your current month with the previous month, or the current year with the previous year. So for that purpose we need to extract the data in the form of day, month and year. So let's see how it does with the Excel formulas. So press equal to day, and we need to select the argument, and we can close either with the close bracket or we can enter control plus enter. Now coming down, moving up, shift control up, then press control D. Okay, so now we have entered the day values. So now we are going to retrieve the values for month. So equal to month, press tab, then go to your selected values, then move towards your left, then press down, shift control up, then press control D. Okay, so now we got the values of day and month. So we need to extract the values for year. So equal to, press year, so open the date value, press control enter, shift control up, then press control D. Okay, so now we have extracted the values for day, month and the year. So now we are going to retrieve the values for name of the day and the name of the month. So the name of the day and the name of the month should be in the form of text values. So we are entering equal to text. So from this formula we can able to see that we need to enter two arguments. One is the value, another one is the format text. So value should be in the form of A2, comma. So we are using the open inverted commas. So name of the day should be in the form of D. So let's see if we enter 3 Ds here. So it's appearing in the form of shorter form. So let's see if we enter one more D. Okay, so now we get the full form of the particular day. So shift control up, you can press control D. Okay, so now we are going to apply the formula for the name of the month. Luckily we are going to use the simple formula, and the same formula equal to text of, we need to enter the argument value, and the month should be in the form of M. So we are going to enter 4 M's here, and just enter control enter, control down, move towards right, and shift control on and press control D. Okay, so now we have retrieved all the values. So let's see whether we have entered the correct values or not. So we need to apply the filter. So Alt DFF, then press month column, then if select space, then just checking with the 4th month. Okay, so the month is 4 and the name of the month is April, so which means we have entered the right values. So let's give another check with the 6th month. So press 6. Okay, so now we could see the name of the month column, it's only the June. So it shows that we have entered the correct values. So this is how we will retrieve the data. So yes, I hope you find this video very useful. So please hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching.